Hi, this is Richie at Wagner's Outdoor Express. We're standing outside the 2023 Wildwood Heritage Glen 270 FKS. Let's take a look inside. That was the 2023 Wildwood Heritage Glen 270 FKS that we currently have here at Wagner's Outdoor Express. You can come take a look at this and anything else that we have on the lot. Just remember to ask for Richie to get your best deal. Thanks for watching.